it's going to be a very tough game. We are going to play against a team that, of course, is not in a good mood right now, but with very good players. It's a team that always show winning mentality, and for me, tomorrow it's going to be, if not the toughest, one of the tough games that we can play till now. So everyone need to be paying attention, need to be ready, because tomorrow it's going to be a difficult game. We are feeling very comfortable at home, but I repeat, tomorrow is going to be a different story. Tomorrow, when the referee blows, when the referee whistles in the first minute, no matter what happened till now, no matter the last two games, matter what we show, what we do into the pitch. So, yeah, I feel that tomorrow is going to be very difficult, and if we want to beat them, we have to be in our best version.